AI is coming to product research. Have you ever wondered what's the main factor that differentiates a dropshipper who skyrockets their sales compared to another who struggles to make even a handful of sales? His experience? Well, yes, it has an influence, but it's not the main factor. The first factor is the time to market. Breaking that down, it means the product that they choose to sell, the time they wish to market it, and of course, the target market you aim the product at. Hence, the importance of selling a product before the competition. So, here's the life cycle of a $10 million product. A new winning product is launched on the market. No competition currently exists, and the money that can be made is limitless. Then, other early sellers spot this winner in their turn. The potential money to be made is huge. You dream of positioning yourself in this space. From then on, e-merchants equipped with classic Minea start selling this product as there's still a lot of cash to be made. And finally, everyone else jumps on board and starts selling the same product all at the same time, which inevitably brings us to what I like to call market saturation. That's why we wanted to build a tool that would systematically place us at the beginning of the cycle. Tell me, have you ever wanted to be among the first to know when a new product is about to explode globally? Have you ever dreamed of being one of the original sellers, the sellers of a product who generate the most money? I'm assuming you're nodding your head with excitement right now, but the thing is, we were realistic. We thought it was impossible. We thought it couldn't be done. Until we realized that we in fact had everything we needed. But how do we do it? Well, 1. We had the data, the world's largest database of listings and stores in all markets. 2. We had the technology, the ability to track all sales of a product from a Shopify store. 3. We had the expertise. Minea is a tool made by dropshippers for dropshippers. Our greatest expertise is product research. All we had to do was train an AI on all this data, all the ads, all the products, all the Shopify stores, and all the markets to create the most powerful eye on the market, the eye that will watch the market for you. A brand new technology that sees everything, knows everything, and works continuously without any downtime. Well, today, I'm officially announcing it to you. After 1 year of research and development, after 1 year of perfecting our algorithms and training our AI, what everyone thought was the impossible is now possible, because we're now able to detect the new market opportunities as soon as they arise. Imagine being among the first to know when a new product is about to explode globally. Now, imagine having all of these products served to you on a silver platter, detected by an incredibly efficient, overtrained and supercharged AI via the world's largest e-commerce database. Imagine that you systematically place yourself at the beginning of the sales cycle of a product. I get it. You think it's impossible. Well, sure. Wasn't that exactly what they thought about the moon landing in 1969? Nothing's impossible. It just takes somebody to be the first to do it. And this time, that was us. Let me summarize this new technology, this new tool. A tool, an AI, an eye that monitors all markets at once. An eye that is based on many key indicators and data of sales. The best selling products and new products that are exploding right now. E-commerce and dropshipping stores that do the most business while showing you all their winning products. All ads and promotions on all networks such as Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram and Snapchat, and notifies you as soon as a promotion spikes in engagement. For the purpose of detecting new opportunities for winning products anywhere in the world and on any network almost instantly. Never make mistakes again and only launch products that will generate hundreds, if not thousands of sales while bleeding the market dry. To launch a product before the competition so that you're a part of the beginning of the sales cycle of a product. Okay, now for the best part. What additional features will you receive in our business plan? First, the winning product tab. Here you'll find only winning products, and I mean really winning products. No need to untangle the e-commerce products from the others. From this interface, you'll only have to deal with the different filters available to detect the best products, and especially those that are the most suitable for your business. For example, you can filter the products with a precise number of sales in the last 7 days, the last 24 hours, etc., or even by sales growth and many others. You can also filter on product promotion engagement, engagement score, engagement growth, and much more. So let's go ahead and simulate a search. Now, there's a great combination of possible filters to search for products that are literally exploding. Let's filter only products that have had an engagement growth in the last 7 days greater than 10%. Then, we'll sort all results by sales growth in the last 24 hours. And the result? Well, as you can see, only great winning products. Next is the success radar. Internally, this is what we like to call the eye of the drop. It monitors the market in real time for you so that you're among the first to invade the market with a new product when your competitors don't even know it exists. As soon as the eye detects a new opportunity, it's displayed in this tab. You should always keep an eye on the success radar so that you're notified straight away of any winning products. In the success radar, you'll find products, stores, and promotions. Products that are exploding in sales. Our AI monitors a lot of metrics in real time. The growth of advertising engagement, the growth of product sales, store sales, the number of promotions. The objective is to serve you a silver platter of products you need to sell without delay. Products ready to be launched and welcomed by the market. The eye also watches the exploding stores, the stores where the turnover reaches record highs, the ones where you can be inspired, the ones that have plenty of winners in their ranks. Finally, the eye watches the promotion, the ads on all networks that have a sudden growth of engagement. And now that you have your product, the business plan allows you to analyze it completely, including the sales, the real analysis of sales. Now you finally know for certain the number of sales that the e-merchant has realized. Indeed, on Minea, we have developed the most advanced sales tracking technology on the market, capable of tracking sales of all products and Shopify stores in the world. Market opportunities? To know on which market, on which networks, and with which creatives to launch the product. Precisely the social network on which the product has achieved the best performance, the best promotions regarding ads and placements, and of course, the best creative to use to launch the product. Wondering if it's still possible to fail when you have all this information? Well, testing the business plan is the best answer to your question. Spoiler alert, it's impossible. Now, this video is almost over. However, one thing you need to know is if you want to experience the sheer power of our AI, we only open a set number of places per month, 200 to be exact. If you're wondering why, well, it's to keep a small circle around this valuable information. Because let's face it, if we make this plan accessible to everyone, the value of each product found by our AI would be decreased dramatically. And remember, you're not the only one who understands the power of the business plan. This same video is being served to thousands every single minute. So if you want to be one of the 200 to experience our AI, stop what you're doing and get involved now.